Oh, got him. Hooked him. It's a nice spring day. I'm at the pond. There's supposed to be some sort of winter system moving in tomorrow, so I'm gonna do a little fishing today before it gets cold again. This is a public pond. We're in Sequoia National Forest. Surprisingly few people know about it, but there are definitely fish here. I got my trusty Shakespeare rod and my Cadence ultralight reel. I tied on one of these Berkley scented atomic teasers, my all-around go-to jig for pretty much any freshwater fish. I got a bunch of them for Christmas, but haven't used them all winter, so I'm pretty excited to finally try them out. Hopefully I can catch some fish. Alright, looks like I got myself a crappie. This would be the first fish of 2021. Got my license a month ago, so pretty excited to catch this fish. Probably won't need the forceps. Nice little crappie here. Oh, big bass. There are big bass in here. Look at these bass. Big largemouth bass hanging out in the weeds. Pretty sure they can see me. It's going for it. Look at that bass. It's staring right at me. Oh, got him. Hooked him. Big old bass. Oh man, it has to be one of the biggest ones I've caught here. Oh yeah, look at that thing. It was just right in here. Barely hooked him. He was about to get off. My goodness. This thing has to be half a pound. Good 15 inches long. Look at that thing. Monster bass. Wow. I'm surprised he went for that jig. I swear he saw me the entire time. Time to let him go. Wow, what a catch. Alright, there are quite a few little fish in here. Pretty sure they're bluegill. Let's see what I can pull out. Actually, that one looked like a bass. Yeah, I'm seeing bigger ones too. I think there's bass in here as well. Little bitty bass. Fish on. I think this one's a bluegill. Nice sized bluegill. So today I've got bass, crappie, and bluegill. One of the biggest bluegills I've caught. Could be the biggest I've ever caught. Almost as heavy as the bass. It's not big, but it's pretty heavy. And it fought hard too. Fought harder than the bass. Alright, I'm gonna try to catch one more fish before I switch jigs, because this one looks like it's getting a little torn up. There we go. Looks like a bass. Yeah, not big. It's not a bad size. Back you go. Alright, I'm gonna put on a red atomic teaser now. See if this works as well as the other one did. Red atomic teaser is on. Let's give it a try. And this is 4-pound fluorocarbon I'm using. It hasn't snapped once all day. So no luck on the red jig. I just switched to a little Mepps Thunderbug. I'm gonna have to keep it off the bottom because I do not want to get this one snagged and have to break the line. Alright, that's it for today. That big bass was definitely the highlight of the day. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and we will see you next time on 4600 Outdoors. Okay, so we have stickers which we will be giving to the first 5 comments on this video. So if you want one, make sure to comment below. If you're one of the first 5, then we will notify you, and you'll need to send your mailing address via email to the address on the screen right now, and we will send you a sticker free of charge. So if you want one of these cool logo stickers, make sure to drop a comment below, and we will love to send you one.